Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the face parts, eyes, brows, mouth, on separate layers so you can animate them independently. Once done, convert or trace important parts to vector for cleaner deformation and set your timeline grid to 0. 5-second snaps to control timing. Make sure to keep a hidden backup of the original layer. This prevents accidental loss while you edit anchor points. You'll work with individual transforms, masks, and the deform tool next, so this layer setup is essential before you animate expression changes. Now you create deforms or warp nodes on each facial layer and place anchor points where real muscles would pivot: outer brow, mouth corners, eyelids. You set keyframes at time 0 for the neutral expression, then add keyframes 8 to 12 frames later for the target expression. Stagger the timing between layers to avoid a robotic simultaneous shift. Adjust easing curves to soften motion and tweak individual anchors to shape smiles, frowns, or squints. You'll refine by scrubbing playback and making micro-adjustments to anchors and opacity. Finish by adding micro-movements like a blink, slight cheek raise, or lip curl to sell the expression. Subtle motion blur or opacity shifts add realism. Once satisfied, render as video or animated PNG and save the layered project so you can revisit. If the deformation looks unnatural, reset the problematic anchors, reduce the deform magnitude, or re-vectorize the layer for cleaner curves. This is the single most effective troubleshooting path. You'll learn faster by iterating and comparing small changes,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.